Most common words which people use to describe their daily life activities. Thousands, millions of people use every day. You must know about these are the importance of the vocabularies. These are the very important. These are the like connected to each other and which will boost your communication skills, which will bring transformational changes while having conversation with anybody. My dear friend, these are the vocabularies. बहुत ही important vocabularies हैं. You must know how to use in your sentences. You must आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जैसे इन vocabularies का यूज हम कहाँ कहाँ करते हैं, किस कंडीशन में करते हैं, किस परिस्थिति में करते हैं और इसका एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग क्या होता है, कैसे हम अपने सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर को और अच्छा बना सकते हैं, अपने फीलिंग्स और एक्सप्रेशन को कैसे हम जाहिर कर सकते हैं थ्रू इन सब सेंटेंसेस के द्वारा. Right, I hope you must know and you must have clarity and more visibility and more transparency so that you can have your conversation without facing any kind of problem, right? Because these are the very important and most commonly people use to describe their daily life activities. Hundred or millions time you will be hearing or you will be using these sentences. Without these sentences, English will remain incomplete. It will remain like not truthful, right? So these are the बहुत ही important vocabularies हैं. These are the very important words हैं जो आपके कन्वर्सेशन करने में, आपके आइडियाज और सेंटिमेंट्स और फीलिंग को एक्सप्रेस करने में बहुत ही बेनिफिट है और बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है. So my dear friend, we are going to discuss one by one and you will understand, you will have more visibility, more clarity. When you have deep understanding, so definitely you can have conversation with anybody. You can talk with anybody freely and with confidence, right? So now we are going to start. It is very important. You must know everything is learnable. Nothing is impossible. You can make it possible, right? So my dear friend, we will go by one and we will try to understand. I will give here lots of example, lots of things so that you will have right understanding and deep meaning about the words. Now we will describe one by one and definitely you should have understood. Whenever, जब कभी भी, इन हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं जब कभी भी अपने एक्सप्रेशन को और एक्सप्रेस अच्छे से करने के लिए इन वर्ड्स का हम यूज करें. We will describe this word. So whenever, right? Whenever. In English, whenever. In हिंदी में जब कभी भी. Whenever I face problem, I talk to my parents. जब कभी भी मुझे प्रॉब्लम होती है तब मैं अपने पेरेंट्स से कनेक्ट करता हूँ, राइट? Whenever I face problem, जब कभी भी मैं प्रॉब्लम फेस करता हूँ तो मैं अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करता हूँ. Whenever I face problem, I talk to my parents. Whenever I don't understand anything, I ask to my teacher. जब कभी भी मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आता है, then I ask to my teacher. I ask to my parents. Whenever I don't understand what is happening in my life, I do meditation. जब कभी भी मुझे समझ में आता है कि मैं अपनी लाइफ को नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ, तो मैं मेडिटेशन करता हूँ. जब कभी भी, whenever you don't know the meaning of these are the vocabularies, you will face problem. Whenever, जब कभी भी आप इंग्लिश की vocabularies को नहीं समझ पाओगे, then you will face problem. So right, whenever, जब कभी भी, I hope, जब कभी भी. Whenever you are not doing your work, you will face problem. Whenever you are not doing your work, you will face problem. जब कभी भी आप अपना काम नहीं करोगे तो problem face करोगे, right? Whenever I am not improving my communication skills, I cannot able to give my interviews. Whenever I am not doing practice, so I cannot able to clear my interviews. जब कभी भी मैं प्रैक्टिस नहीं करूँगा तो इंटरव्यू में क्लियर नहीं कर पाऊँगा. I could not able to complete my interview without having such kind of study. Whenever I talk to my parents, I feel very good. जब मैं अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करता हूँ तो I feel very good. जब कभी भी मैं अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करता हूँ so I feel very good. Whenever I talk to my parents, I feel happy and good. Right? Whenever, जब कभी. Whenever you are going for picnic, you should take care your belongings and your necessary things. Wherever means जहाँ कहीं भी आप problem face करते हो, you should connect with your teacher. Wherever you are facing problem, you must connect with your teacher. You must connect with your teacher so that you will not face problem. Wherever you are not doing good things, you will lost your life. अगर आप अच्छा नहीं करते हो तो you will be lost your life, right? Wherever I am going, I find good people. जहाँ कहीं भी मैं जाता हूँ तो अच्छे लोगों से मेरी मुलाकात. Wherever I understand that I am doing mistake, I connect with my books. I take help of internet. Wherever I do mistake, I try to see the help of internet and I am correcting those things. Wherever, जब कभी भी, जब कभी भी wherever you are not talking with your parents you will face problem. जब कभी भी आप पेरेंट्स से बात नहीं करोगे तो प्रॉब्लम फेस करोगे. Wherever you will go in this world you will not find peace. जहाँ कहीं भी इस वर्ल्ड में आप जाओगे पीस नहीं मिलेगा. Wherever you will go you will not able to find the peace. You will not find the peace. Wherever you will not find the peace. Right? Wherever. जहाँ कहीं भी. I hope it is clear. Somewhere. हिंदी में हम बोलते हैं किसी जगह को. Somewhere I will find my passion. कहीं पे भी मैं अपने पैशन को फाइंड करूँ. Somewhere I need to focus. Right? Somewhere I need to focus so that I can come up with my decision. I have to focus somewhere to need it some improvement. Somewhere I think I'm doing mistake. I will correct it. Somewhere. किसी जगह या किसी टाइम पर जब हम डिस्क्राइब करते हैं तो उस टाइम के लिए हम somewhere का यूज़ करते हैं. Somewhere I will find my passion. My communication skill is not good. Somewhere I'm doing mistake. मेरी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स अच्छी नहीं है. आई थिंक मैं कहीं मिस्टेक कर रहा हूँ. Somewhere I'm doing mistake. Somewhere I'm doing mistake. Somewhere I'm doing mistake. राइट. कहीं पे भी मैं प्रॉब्लम कर रहा हूँ. Somewhere. I think we need to visit somewhere. हमें लगता है कि हमें कहीं विजिट करना चाहिए. Somewhere. I should visit somewhere. I should visit somewhere. Somewhere we need to visit. Somewhere we need to visit. Somewhere we can talk with the people if we face problem. Somewhere I should go to get enjoyment. मुझे कहीं जाना चाहिए enjoyment करने के लिए. Somewhere I should go to get enjoyment. If you are not finding your passion, so you need to visit somewhere where you can get some guidance. अगर आप अपने पैशन को फाइंड नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो आई थिंक यू शुड गो समवेयर. यू शुड गो समवेयर. आई हैव लॉस्ट माई कीज इन समवेयर इन द रूम. आई हैव लॉस्ट माई कीज समवेयर इन द रूम. मैं कहीं पे अपना कीज खो दिया हूँ, लॉस्ट कर दिया हूँ. राइट. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. समवेयर. इफ़ यू वांट टू डू दिस थिंग्स यू कैन डू. एल्सवेयर यू कैन टेक समथिंग एल्स. अगर आप ये करना चाहते हो तो करो, नहीं तो कुछ और करो. एल्सवेयर. एल्सवेयर मतलब कुछ और. इफ़ यू वांट टू डू योर प्रैक्टिस हियर so you can do. Elsewhere you can go somewhere else. Right? Elsewhere means you can go somewhere else. कहीं और पे जाना, कुछ और. Right? Elsewhere कुछ और. If you want to go to the party so you can go. Elsewhere you can visit some other places. Right? अगर आपको पार्टी में जाना है तो पार्टी में जा सकते हैं, नहीं तो आप कहीं और भी जा सकते हैं. Elsewhere मैं अपनी प्रैक्टिस यहीं करूँगा या तो कहीं और जा सकता हूँ. I will do my practice here. Elsewhere I can go somewhere else. If you wanted to work here in the office, so you can work here. Elsewhere you can see another opportunities. अगर आप ऑफिस में काम करना चाहते हो तो करो, नहीं तो elsewhere या कहीं और कभी कर सकते हो. Right? If you want to do your job here, you can do here. Elsewhere you can visit some another organization. If you like these things, it's okay. Elsewhere you can move on. अगर आपको ये चीज़ अच्छा लगे तो ठीक है, नहीं तो elsewhere move on. Elsewhere you can move on. कुछ और करो. Whichever means जो कोई भी. Whichever you like books you can select. Means there are so many books. So whichever books you like you can select. यहाँ पर बहुत सारी बुक्स हैं. आप किसी भी लाइब्रेरी में विजिट करते हो तो वहाँ पर बहुत सारी बुक्स होते हैं. तो means at that time you can use whichever. Whichever books you like you can select. जो कोई भी बुक आपको पसंद है आप उसे सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. राइट. लेट्स सपोज दैट आप शॉपिंग मॉल में विजिट कर रहे हो और वहाँ पे बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट हैं, तो आप अपने फ्रेंड से बोल रहे हो कि विच एवर यू लाइक्स यू कैन सेलेक्ट. विच एवर. राइट. जो कोई भी आपको पसंद है वो सेलेक्ट करो. और विच एवर टॉपिक यू लाइक टू लर्न स्पोकन इंग्लिश यू कैन सेलेक्ट. आइदर रीडिंग, राइटिंग, स्पीकिंग और लर्निंग वोकेबलरीज. विच एवर यू लाइक्स यू कैन सेलेक्ट. जो कुछ भी आपको लाइक करते हो उसे आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हो. विच एवर मतलब जो कोई भी. विच एवर गेम यू वॉन्ट टू प्ले यू कैन प्ले. आप कोई भी गेम प्ले करना चाहते हो कर सकते हो. राइट. विच एवर द गेम्स यू लाइक यू कैन प्ले. और विच एवर मूवी यू लाइक्स यू कैन विजिट एंड यू कैन वॉच. जो कोई भी मूवी आप वॉच करना चाहते हो you can visit in cinema house and you can watch that movie. Whichever you likes. Whichever activities you want to play you can play. जो कोई भी activities आप play करना चाहते हो you can play. Whichever activities you likes. If you like swimming you can go for swimming. If you like to play cricket you can go to play cricket. Whichever the games you like you can play. Whichever life you want to accept you can do hard work. Right. Whichever means जो कोई भी. whichever things are not possible you can do hard work, whichever things is not possible you can do hard work, right? There are so many books, but I like this book. Like, share your feelings, your expression of thoughts, and definitely your spoken English is going to be improved, and you will see the biggest change in your life, right? Whichever seems like incorrect, I will learn it and it will be correct. जो कुछ भी लगता है मुझे कि incorrect है, मैं उसे correct करूँगा. Whichever seems incorrect, जो कुछ भी लगता है कि गलत है, incorrect है, उसे I will correct that. I will check it. Whichever the things is incorrect, I will correct it, right? Whichever the vocabularies I don't know, I will learn it. I will try to understand it. I will watch some another videos so that I can learn it, right? Whichever, जो कुछ भी vocabularies मुझे नहीं पता है उसके बारे में मैं learn करूँगा और मैं understand करूँगा, and I will not face problem for spoken English. Whichever things is very difficult nowadays, but later on it will be like easy. I can do that, right? And there are so many things whichever I don't know, I will do practice. Or there are so many grammatical things whichever I don't like, but I can do practice, and something I will like and I can do that, right? Whichever. Anywhere you can go. This world is very big, you can go anywhere. आप कहीं पे भी जा सकते हो, right? Anywhere. Where do you want to go? I want to go anywhere, or I can go anywhere. Where do you want to find the hotels or restaurants? Anywhere you can find near this village or near this town. Anywhere, कहीं पे भी आप find कर सकते हो होटल और रेस्टोरेंट को, right? Anywhere. I can do my work activities anywhere. हम आज क्रिकेट खेलने जा सकते हैं. कहाँ जा सकते हैं? Anywhere. कहीं पे भी हम जा सकते हैं. We can go to play cricket anywhere. Anywhere we can play cricket. आप नेक्स्ट वेकेशंस में कहाँ जाना पसंद करेंगे? वी कैन गो एनीवेयर. हम कहीं पे भी जा सकते हैं. एनीवेयर मीन्स कहीं पे भी. Anywhere you can go. Anywhere you can understand your things, right? Anywhere I can visit, right? Anywhere. What do you want to do in your life and which places? I want to do so many things, and anywhere I can go and do my hard study. I can practice a lot and I can connect with the people, right? Anywhere. I hope. Anywhere means कहीं पे भी. Anywhere I can go and talk with people. मैं कहीं पे भी जा सकता हूँ और लोगों से बात कर सकता हूँ. Where do you want to give your interview? Anywhere I can give my interviews. Like anywhere. आप अपना इंटरव्यू कहाँ देना चाहते हैं? Anywhere I can give interviews. Right? Anywhere. कहीं पे भी. Where would you like to give your interviews? Anywhere I can give my interviews. Anywhere means you want to work anywhere. कहीं पे भी, right? Anywhere. I hope it is clear right now. You understand. Anyhow means you are emphasizing. आप बोलना चाहते हैं कि anyhow means कैसे भी करके. Anyhow means कैसे भी करके. Anyhow I want to complete my communication skills. कुछ भी करके मैं अपना कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को इम्प्रूवमेंट करना चाहता हूँ. Anyhow I want to complete my communication skills. Anyhow I have to learn as much as possible. कुछ भी करके मैं और अच्छा लर्न करना चाहता हूँ. Anyhow if things are not happening, anyhow I will make it possible, right? जो कुछ भी डिफिकल्ट लगता है मैं उसे पॉसिबल करूँगा. Anyhow by the year of 2026 I will improve my communication skills and I can give my interviews. Anyhow I can. कैसे भी करके, कुछ भी करके, right? Anyhow कैसे भी करके, कुछ भी करके मैं थिंग्स को कंप्लीट कर लूँगा, right? Anyhow things which seems difficult, anyhow I will complete my ambitions. मुझे कैसे भी करके पुलिस ऑफिसर बनना है. Anyhow I want to be a police officer. Anyhow I want to be cricketer. कैसे भी करके मैं क्रिकेटर बनना चाहता हूँ. Anyhow I want to be cricketer. Anyhow कैसे भी करके. Anyhow you have to complete your target 2 days. Right? कैसे भी करके आज का टारगेट मैं कंप्लीट करूँगा. Anyhow I will read 5 or 10 pages. कैसे भी करके मैं 10 या 15 पेजेस को रीड आउट करूँगा. Anyhow means anyhow कैसे भी करके. हिंदी में कैसे भी करके. Anyhow I will go somewhere. I will do my hard study. I will do for better preparation. Anyhow which seems is very difficult. Anyhow I will understand. I will complete it. I have given my interviews but I got failed. Anyhow I will see another opportunities, right? Anyhow means कुछ भी करके, कैसे भी करके I will do that things. कुछ भी करके, कैसे भी करके उस चीज़ को मैं कंप्लीट कर लूँगा. उसके लिए हम anyhow का यूज़ करते हैं इंग्लिश में, राइट? एनीवे कोई नहीं. एनीवे आप कुछ करना चाहते हो, अगर वो नहीं हुआ तो आप बोलते हो एनीवे आई विल डू इट लेटर, आई विल टेक इट ऑन लेटर. एनीवे आई वांट टू गिव माय इंटरव्यू बट आई कुड नॉट गेट सक्सीडेड, आई कुड नॉट गेट क्लियर. एनीवे आई विल सी सम अनदर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. एनीवे आई कैन गिव माय इंटरव्यूज in another organization, right? Anyway I will do hard work. I like, let's suppose that you have failed a government examination and you are saying anyway I will fill up again form and again I will do hard work, I will complete that things. You visit in party but the meals or the food has been finished, right? So you said anyway I will eat to my home, I will eat all foods at my home. Or anyway if I didn't get succeeded, if I didn't get successful yet, anyway I will try for next opportunities. Anyway means, right? Anyway कोई नहीं, मैं देखता हूँ next क्या होता है, right? Anyway like anyway if you didn't get your salary, let's suppose that you are working in company and you did not get salary. आप कंपनी में काम कर रहे हो पर आपको सैलरी नहीं मिला, तो आप करो anyway we'll check, anyway next month में आ जाएगी. Anyway I will get after 4 days. Anyway I will talk to my teacher, or anyway I will talk to my parents. कोई नहीं, मैं अपने पेरेंट्स से बात करूँगा, मैं अपने टीचर से बात करूँगा, राइट? कोई नहीं, मैं देखता हूँ कि मेरी सैलरी नेक्स्ट मंथ में आ जाएगी. एनीवे, राइट? द यूजेस ऑफ एनीवे यू मस्ट नो एंड यू शुड यूज, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर यूजिंग, यू मस्ट ऑल्सो यूज एनीवे. हाउएवर, फिर भी, राइट? फिर भी. हाउएवर इंग्लिश में, हाउएवर हिंदी में फिर भी. टुडे आई एम बिजी, हाउएवर आई कैन गो टू प्ले क्रिकेट. मैं आज बहुत बिजी हूँ, फिर भी मैं क्रिकेट के लिए खेलने के लिए जा सकता हूँ. I'm already finished my meals, however I can eat some desserts, right? Well, let's suppose that you visit in shopping mall, you are buying or purchasing the product and you are saying like मेरे पास बहुत सारे shirts और things हैं, however I can buy something else. मैं कुछ और भी buy कर सकता हूँ, फिर भी मैं कुछ और भी buy कर सकता हूँ. However I can buy some new products. However things are not possible, but I can check later on. Whatever means जो कुछ भी. Whatever you like you can do, whatever you want to play you can play, whatever things you like you can take it, or whatever you want to do you can do it. Like whatever means जो कुछ भी आपको पसंद है वो करो, जो कुछ भी आपको करना है वो करो. And whatever you like you can do, whatever you want to do you can do. Or you are purchasing anything, so your friend saying to you whatever you like you can take it, whatever means whatever, anything whatever you like you can take it, no problem. Whatever things are not possible you can make it possible. Whatever you like, whatever you want to see the change you can do. Anything which makes you difficult, so you don't have to worry. Whatever you can able to do you can do, right? You can do. Yes, there are lots of things you can learn and there are so many things you can do your hard practice, and definitely you will get to know about the things and it will give you more sentiment. These are the very important vocabularies you must understand. Whenever you use in 100 times or more than 100 times, you will get to know about, yes, these are the perfect expressions. These are the things which can, through which you can express yourself. You will get better clarity and your communication skill will be boosted, and there are lots of things can change. So you have to understand, you need to understand, and you can use these sentences. You can write down in piece of paper, you can write down and do your practice and try to understand. These are the very like basic things which people use to describe daily life activities, and millions and thousand times you have heard from people that they are using these vocabularies, right? ज़्यादातर आप लोगों को देखोगे कि इन सब vocabularies के बोले बिना जो इंग्लिश है it will remain uncomfortable, incomplete. I have already uploaded many videos. If you haven't visited, you can visit and you can watch that and express yourself in better way. And let's build up confidence, let's build up your communication skills. You are going to change yourself and you are going to see the new opportunities in your life. You will not force problem, and I will give everything whatever makes which is difficult. We will together work and we will help out to each other, and definitely things are going to be possible. Thank you very much for giving your kind attentions and learning spoken English through my channel. I am very great and thankful to you. Thank you very much. Subscribe my channel.